4 movements excite men before intimacy. The ability to raise a husband is one of the most important things to have a good intimate relationship and vice versa for the wife. Therefore, we are asked questions by married women about the magical ways to raise the husband in preparation for the intimate relationship. Intimacy is one of the basics of building an enjoyable married life between a man and a woman, and it must be revived and taken care of as an essential part of your life. The husband may often yearn for his wife to behave with some bold sexual behavior, in order to sexually provoke him in bed, but may be ashamed to talk about it. So we made sure to prepare for each married woman some of the methods that she can follow to provoke her husband, get rid of routine movements, and boring traditional methods that can control the sexual relationship. Follow this article with my lady and find out more. 1. Bring the husband to your senses. Fragrances and good smells have a magical effect on the husband. The perfume helps to dissolve in you as soon as your scent smells attractive. Many recent studies have shown how perfumes affect man's attraction and his feelings of excitement and sexual desire. Therefore, you have to choose your own perfume as desired by your husband. Every man has his unique personality in the taste of perfume that affects his heart towards his wife, and ignites the romantic feelings between them. Be aware that there are some erotic women's perfume, which have a great impact on your husband, and thus ignite your intimate relationship with him. There is a fragrance of vanilla-scented aroma, and there is a scent of oud, or sandalwood. Consult the experts in the branches of the big perfume about the best species. This step is the beginning of the way to raise it. 2. Thrill your husband with your talk. Talk to your husband in an exciting whispering way during intimate exercise, or before you prepare to practice it. This increases the husband's feeling of sexual arousal. Man is a visual object by nature, but he is also influenced by romantic words or phrases. In addition, men tend to talk bold women during the sexual encounter or a prelude to it. Romantic phrases such as, "What is full of you never," or the words and conversations that raise his appetite all increase his arousal and also increase your sexual desire too. Therefore, I know that your voice is very important to move his feelings and thoughts. Whispering with a low voice carries with him the tone of sweetness as if it was a magic place during the strings of his feelings of rising or falling. 3. Stir husband in underwear. The erotic lingerie worn by women is one of the most important things for every husband. He wants his wife to be like a flower that is open to her beauty. Wear and choose carefully selected sleepwear and lingerie is very important to start the relationship, so you should choose your own clothing in charming colors from time to time, and Bastille suits your body shape. Wear black short dresses with lace, with high-heeled boots showing your body and femininity. Choose the nail polish in red to match your lipstick, so that in the end your feminine look will attract your eyes and attract attention. 4. Bring the husband to touch and caress. You can touch his lips slowly. The kiss here raises the mind and moves the heart because of the feelings. It is the strongest connection between the feelings of men and women. You can also touch the neck, ear or chest area of your husband with your lips, and be careful to be light and pampering. You can also stimulate your husband by fondling or touching his body, especially the penis, or testis before exercising intimacy. These areas are the most sensitive to men. You can also stimulate the husband by rubbing his body or asking him to rub your body with oils.